What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have the KEFEYA laptop dual screen. I reviewed something similar to this. The one that I reviewed was a triple screen. This is good if you are a Starbucks warrior, okay? If you live in Starbucks, you work in Starbucks or Panera Bread or wherever they have the Wi-Fi signal at. You have your laptop and you can have another screen so you can multitask. You can have something on one screen and something on the other, and it is portable, you guys. So this is almost like having two laptops. So it's between 13 inches and 17 inches of extension. So if you have a 13-inch laptop, perfect. All the way to a 17-inch laptop, perfect. All right, so we are going to go ahead and get into it. This is straight from the company, you guys. They love the way that I reviewed the other laptop screen extension, so we are going to give them the same type of review. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. Right there, you already see dual screen laptop, got the brand there. All types of specifications here. So let me just go ahead so I don't have to edit, you guys. So there you go. Look like you get 3 wires and all of that good stuff. Trying to make sure y'all see everything. All right. Now, on their site, I believe they also have a site. In the link in the description, I will try to post up all of the cool stuff they have. They have a lot of cool stuff on there, like as far as monitors and stuff like that. So let's go ahead. We open the box. As soon as we open the box, it is covered with nice foam padding. Now you can save these. You can use it for something if you do craft work or something. But this is pretty good material. All right, I know that's blah, blah, blah. All right, so right here you have the user's guide. Here we go, taking it right on out. And, ooh, this is cool. They show y'all the motherboard. That is nice. I actually like that. That is very nice, you guys. Wow, that is cool. All right, I know, I went in geek mode just now. All right, so the cool thing about this, Velcro. Now the Velcro is not attached, so you will need to carry this with you. One thing you should notice is that you do not get a bag, so you will definitely need to carry a book bag because they didn't give you a carrying case. All right, so what we have here, this looks like a mount. So that's the mount. We have USB Type-C to USB Type-C. We have here USB Type-C to HDMI cord, and then we have a USB to USB Type-C again. All right, one is longer than the other when it comes to this. So this is, okay, so they might be the same size, it's just the way they wrapped up. Let's see. Going to do this real quick. Taking off the bread ties, you guys. When you take the Velcro off, all you have to do is just spread it out. So this is where the extension comes into play. So you have 13 inches to your 17 inches. I could do a little quick measurement just to fact check that for y'all. So right now, yes, I'm at 13 inches right now. Okay, this is just standard. And then I can stretch, and you don't get, let me see, am I stretching hard enough? All right, you guys, so you don't get quite, oh yeah, never mind. I have to do it with the lip. All right, so you get 16 3/4. 16 3/4 is the number that I'm getting as far as the width of your computer, all right? I just had to fact check that because on the description it says 17.3. And I have to be honest with y'all. So that's as honest I could get, you guys. And I got it all the way extended. So 16 3/4, that's what it will be. It's almost there to the 17, but it is not 17.3. So sorry. All right, you guys. So what we need to do is put on the kickstand. All right. Go ahead and just put it in. All right, it fits right on in. Flip it open. You have a lip right here. You pull this out. Now this do not retract back, so you will have to close it yourself. So you put it on, you close it. Now I have to remind you, when you close it, it's not really a really tight fit, okay? But that's it. Once you put it on, lay it back. The kickstand will do its job. This is loose, just to let you know. So it's not like it's really, really tight, but when you kick it back, you're good. Just let it stay on the kickstand. Now your monitor right here is very sturdy. It's not like it's wiggly or anything. As you know what I mean, it's not loose. So you can actually put this in whatever angle you want. Just remove the protective film. So right now we're going to remove it. And it's not new no more. All right, you guys. So with that being said, that's about it. That's how you hook this thing up, you guys. It is not a lot to this. Once again, if you at Starbucks, Panera Bread, or whatever shop, whatever bagels and grind, or whatever shop you go in to be on your computer to do work early in the morning or late in the evening, you can go ahead and multitask. We have here connectors. So on the motherboard right here, it says power. All right, so you have your power button here. And it says type C 1, type C 2, and then type C 3. When you hook up this wire, it says, please connect this port to our product. That's no problem. But when I connect to this part where it says type C3, and then it says USB-C with DP, I am not sure what that means yet, so I will further have to get into the instructions just to make sure. I think these are some of the coolest products, you guys. So we are going to put it in type C number 2. All right, the type C with DP, I don't know. Okay, so when you put it in type C number 2, you see this light is illuminating. The motherboard is lit up, and I'm gonna flip it open, and now I have my extension on there. Now, it automatically go over for me, but if it don't go over for you, then you will have to make some adjustments. All right, this is how you arrange. So y'all see how I can go to the left right here, and my mouse will, to the left. You see how I could go to the right and my mouse goes to the right of the screen over here? So I'm over here now with the mouse. Don't know if y'all can see it. If you want to arrange that, you can put it on the right. So if the left, if you put it on the left, now I can't go over to the right. So if I go to the left, then it comes over to this side. So I want it to go to the right since it's on the right side of my screen. That's how I function, okay? So now I can go to the right. Now that's if you need to figure out your the direction you want your mouse to go. Now, if you had a triple screen, it will be 3 screens up here, and you have to hit arrange, and then you have to arrange where you want your screens to go. That's if you have multiple screens. You could have 4 screens. You will have to do the same thing. All right. And that's about it, you guys. Okay. Yeah, if you lower the resolution, you could definitely tell the difference. If you want a double monitor, get this style of screen extension. All right, the link will be in the description, and also I will put in the review that I did with the triple screen. I will put that at the end of this video. You could click on that video if you want to see me put a triple screen together, just in case you want 3 screens instead of 2 screens. So that will be it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.